guys, welcome to the first episode of our things to do. Right here you will see somebody cracked up our mailbox, so we're going to be drilling a hole in the mailbox right here, right into the center, and we'll have a place for our screw. Now we're in the workshop here.
What are you doing? Oh, jeez.
And Arvin is getting our 4x4 and measuring. We've already got, I'm not sure, this is probably 24 inches.
Yep.
Roughly.
Hair under 24.
A hair under 24 inches. And he's using the 2-square and measuring a line, and then we get a saw and cut that piece off.
I'm using this end here because it won't hurt nothing.
Yeah, and this end right here, this stuff won't really hurt anything. I don't know how long it'll be up there. Who knows? Maybe it'll be up there forever.
You may not have to do this again.
Yep, maybe not.
You want to cut this off?
Okay, like I was saying, this piece is going to go right in the middle, and we're going to screw it in, and we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Don't pay attention to me. And Arvin's lining up his blade. We got a Milwaukee saw.
Okay.
And might make a little noise here in a minute. Do you need anything to clamp it down?
Yeah, I thought this
You got to hold the... Okay, and then we're going to turn the wood over and do the same thing.
No.
Right. And then we're going to do the same thing. And I'll probably have to hold this up so it
Yep.
don't fall.
Don't pinch it, just hold it.
Alright, let's hold it. And bingo, we got a good cut. Okay.
Now, in order to measure that, run this all the way to the end. To get exactly the center, you want to go from corner to corner.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to draw an X.
See, from corner to corner. And that way you get exactly the center. And there's your center.
And this will go right in there.
Mm-hmm. Right in there. Now
Right
I gotta
in
drill
there.
it.
And now we're taking a 5/8 because this is a 5/8 bolt. And we're taking a 5/8 and we're going to drill what? How much? You want to do half of that?
Half of that.
So we'll measure the length of the bolt, and then we'll drill half of that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's 5/8.
And that's exactly what he said this was.
All right.
A 5/8 drill.
Yeah.
And when you drill that hole, you're going to have to pound that in there. And that's what you want, to pound this in there.
Okay. So how far do we got to get on?
Halfway.
Have to so. One thing we could, let me see the bit. One thing we could do probably is put a piece of tape on it. And that's about your halfway mark right there.
And, get to halfway. Don't know if it'll mark this or not. May mark it. We'll see. It's 7 1/4, so that would be 3 1/2, and 3 1/2 is 7. So at least we go right here. It's going to be hard to do.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll
But we'll mark it here on the bit. Maybe a piece of tape around it, around the bit.
And then 7 1/2, 3 1/2. There's,
Okay.
yep, there's 7 1/2.
And I'm gonna run the bit right here because that's when
Yep.
the wood
You
is.
see, and that'll be half of that.
And
Boy,
so
that
if we
thing
want
ain't
to,
go- yeah.
wow, it might take the full thing. We want to get some tape and put it around the bit right there so we know that's
No, I don't know what it is.
okay.
Yeah, no, I don't know if that'll mark. Those don't mark too good.
No.
Now there's a mark.
Oh yeah, there's a little mark.
That's close enough.
Okay. It's not rocket science here, so
It don't have to be.
you want it right there on that, or do you want to put it on the ground?
I'm gonna put it on the ground when I do it.
Okay. As an engineering at work.
It look like it's going straight?
Yep. Oh, you got, okay. We want to chop out some of that. And there's our perfectly
That
centered
looks pretty
hole.
good there so
Yeah.
far.
So far, we need to go down about 4 more inches, I think. Alright, we're looking for that little mark right there. And you got about 3-4 more inches. So there's the mark. Did I run it out of juice?
Just about.
Alright. You got about another 2 inches.
Not hard more.
Not much more, no? Alright.
That's it. Run out of
Okay.
juice.
Yeah, got a little, went the wrong way. You want to drill it out again, just so we get the sawdust and stuff out of it?
Ain't gonna go much farther.
No, no, it's not going to go much further, but maybe it'll get sawdust out of it.
It's got it out.
Okay.
Now. Should be 5/8.
Yeah. There's going to be, we might have to do that one and the other one at the same time so they go into.
No, a little bit crooked. That's it.
I think we got it.
Yeah, it's a little bit crooked, but
Yeah, that's fine. We don't have like stuff to make it exactly straight, so I think.
No.
And what do? We pound that one in the ground too? Or we turn it like a screw?
No, I gotta have this, we can't do no more now till, there's not enough juice. Not enough juice to drill the other one.
Do we have another battery?
No, just got the one. I'll go out and see.
Well, we're outside by the road. And we're drilling a hole in the pole that the mailbox started to come in.
Run out of juice.
It's out of juice? Okay.
Yep.
Alright, well let's charge that puppy up.
Oh yeah, it'll drill it out all right. Gotta have more juice though.
It's on high or low? The drill. On the top. Is it on 1 or 2?
No. No. Going down in, but it's still.
Want me to try it?
No, it's out of juice.
Okay, and this is what we did. On that piece of wood, we had the screw. Okay, and this is the almost finished section.
See, this level, that's level.
Alright.